Welcome to our channel, Woodworking Zone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of woodworking and exploring the question: is woodworking just a hobby, or is it something more? Hey there, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. I'm Sawyer from Woodworking Zone, and I'm thrilled to tackle this question with you today. Woodworking has been around for centuries, captivating people with its blend of creativity, skill, and craftsmanship. Woodworking isn't just about sawing wood or assembling furniture. It's an art form that allows individuals to express themselves through their creations. From simple DIY projects to intricate masterpieces, woodworking offers a canvas for imagination and skill to flourish. Hobbyist 1. For me, woodworking is more than just a hobby, it's a passion. There's something incredibly satisfying about turning raw wood into something beautiful and functional. Hobbyist 2. Woodworking is my escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's therapeutic and helps me unwind after a long day. Many people find solace in woodworking. Whether it's the feeling of accomplishment when completing a project or the joy of learning new techniques. But does that make it more than just a hobby? While woodworking can certainly be a hobby for many, it also has the potential to evolve into a career or a serious business venture. Skilled woodworkers can turn their passion into a livelihood by selling their creations, teaching classes, or even working in carpentry and construction. So, is woodworking a hobby? Absolutely. But it's also so much more. Whether you're a weekend warrior in the workshop or a seasoned professional, woodworking offers endless opportunities for creativity, self-expression, and personal growth. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the world of woodworking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Until next time, keep crafting and creating. Subscribe to Woodworking Zone.